this ever happened to you? No worries, Haida has a solution for this. Haida Anti-Fog Belt. Hi, it's Peter here. Let's get right into the business. And a disclaimer, this belt was sent to me from Haida. They did not say or tell me what to say in this video. All the opinions are my own based on testing this. Finally, it got some cold weather here in Helsinki so that I could test this. I've had it for a long time, but it's been really warm. But now I get to test it here in the woods, pretty close where I live. I came out here to photograph and, you know, it's below zero, so my lens will get foggy and it will get very cold out here if I don't use the belt. So this way I will prevent from the lens to have fog in the front element, because that will ruin the images. Before we talk about more about how it actually performs and does it work and how to use it, let's look what's inside the box. The package includes the belt itself, the cord, and a nice pouch for it, which I don't have right now here. It's in my bag over there. But it's a nice pouch for it. And here are the parts. Graphene heater belt, USB port, power/mode switcher, the binding strap, and a cable. It can be powered by any power bank, and I prefer small power banks. Then I can fit it in my pocket so that it stays warm. The power bank, I mean, because if this was hanging here in very freezing cold, it would lose the power. So that's why I need to keep it in my pocket. The only thing that you need to be worried about is if I now start walking away from the camera for some reason, I will tip it over. If you're having this, don't forget to take it off your pocket if you go a bit further away from your camera. The cord is 1.5 meters, so it is pretty good. It is, you know, not a big problem, but it might be if you start walking to somewhere. Don't do that when you have this attached. And let's talk about the features next. There is a power button here, and then there are 3 different levels of heating. You got high, middle, and low. And the belt just goes around your lens. There is a Velcro here. And you can use any lens that is or has less diameter than 11 centimeters. So it can take a pretty big lens. And you can use this with a telescope or any other things that need to be warm, like a bottle where you have your drinks, if you want to keep them warm. Quite easy to use, but does it work? Just a short answer, yes it does. It makes a big difference. I've used it now when it's been a bit cold here in Helsinki, and my lens keeps nice and warm and there won't be any fog in my lens. Just have it on all the time when you're outdoors photographing and you have no problems, because the fog, if it's not an intentional thing, it will ruin your images. It hasn't been super cold here, so I don't know how it is when it's -40. This, what they promise is that this one works. The cord works in -40, so I would suspect that if you have this on high, you have this on all the time, I would suspect that there is no problem. But to be honest, I haven't tested it in real extreme conditions. Price of this is only $20 at the time when this video was made in November 2022. And I will put a link in the description to Amazon. It's an affiliate link, so if you need this, then much appreciated if you use that code when you get one. I think it's been a real good addition to my gear, and it's well made and it seems to work really well. So $20 for this is not much. It's a very good value for money. And here are some videos about photographing in cold weather and winter time. You might want to watch those next. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.